Wait, these are the speakers, and these are the speakers. What's up guys, JX from TechX here. So recently we have been on a French hi-fi fever. We have advanced Paris amplifier, Revival Audio Atalante 3. Now we have this Atalante 5. Let's do an unboxing video of this ginormous French invention. Let's go! Second one. Right out of the box, these are massive for stand mounts. Each weighs around 30 kilograms, and you instantly know this is some serious high-end engineering. Do you want to know how it looks like compared to the Atalante 3? Voila! These are how small they are compared to the Atalante 5. Let's check out the drivers. Up top, you'll get a 28mm soft dome tweeter with Revival's ARID Plus technology. What that means is it absorbs 95% of unwanted resonance inside the tweeter, so the highs come out crystal clear, smooth, and never harsh. Right below the tweeter is a 3-inch soft dome ARID Plus technology driver. Below that is the star of the show. It's a 12-inch Basalt Sandwich construction woofer. This isn't something you always see in a stand mount speaker. It's a unique blend of basalt fiber and paper, giving it both strength and lightness. The result? Bass that's fast, deep, and incredibly natural. Performance-wise, the Atalante 5 is a beast. It reaches from 28 Hz up to 22 kHz. Insane range for a stand mount, with a 89 dB sensitivity and 8 ohm impedance. They are easy to drive but truly shine with a quality amp. Handling up to 200 watts, they deliver everything from fine detail to full concert dynamics. And the best part, these were designed by Daniel Emonts, a legendary speaker designer from Focal and Dynaudio. Alright, that's all for now. So stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna do a sound test for the Atalante 5. Like, subscribe, see you guys next time.